What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock, guys. So let's do the price action analysis, and most importantly I'll be providing you an update on what I did with my position and what I'm planning, because this position, as you can see, looks like it's not going in my direction. So is there a structure change that is happening that is making me a little bit cautious about this position? And the answer to that is you will find that out throughout this video, but definitely we'll talk about the price action, what it's doing right now, what are the possibilities now, because there's a structure change if that is happening, as I'll talk about in just a second. But so yeah, we'll talk about the SMCI price action. Once I let you know that none of this is any financial advice, it's only for education purposes. I'm only providing my opinion as an educational opinion, and you are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes and whatever you do, okay? So, okay, here's the thing. On daily interval, we are still below 20 days moving average, but one thing that I'm not liking, and I have an update on my stop loss as well here, but one thing I'm not liking is the strength of the candle, and not just the strength, but, and this is where I have to go to the hourly interval. But what I'm seeing is that the break of structure that it did today to the upside. So this good green candle that came is a volume candle, a strong demand candle with the break of structure above 1025. So, and yes, well, it didn't hit my stop loss in the morning fully. It was just about to hit. You can see the hourly candle didn't really close above that. So, and seeing this structural change, I took out some of my position down here. Lucky me, I got that break even to, now if I look at the hindsight, I'd say, hey, I should have taken out all of my position at the break even. But yeah, I took out 50% in the break even here in this pullback. And even though this is a demand zone, at the candle that it has come with the break of $1,025, yeah, and I can see a follow through happening here. Look at it. Wow. I think this remaining 50% is most likely going to hit my stop loss. So, but yeah, where's the, so and yeah, this is where I'm a little bit questioning myself if I should, and I have already though updated the stop loss behind the scenes to this significant level 1080, because I only have 50% position open now, and the remaining I just put it in the break even. So I'm willing to risk this recent supply zone with this significant level. I'm willing to risk this for today, but I will see how things goes. When? Because, well, depending on, so let me take it to the 4 hours interval here. That's where things will get more clear. And I can get rid of this trend line because this has served its purpose to us before. And so what I'm watching is this trend line. So I'm willing to wait until this trend line on the 4 hours. And why this trend line I'm targeting is due to the fact that this is where the pivots has had happened. So this is the fourth pivot that is happening, and I want to see if this is going to continue to reject. But hey, yeah, if it goes, then this position will run into stop loss for the remaining 50% position that I have. So I'm willing to risk it for today, and if it comes back lower again, I will see if the structure changes again to the downside. But right now, the way the structure is looking to me, it's not, when I say it's not, I mean to say it's not that bearish anymore for the swing short that I had, and that's for the reasons that I took out some of my short position that I had open just in this pullback at the demand zone of $1,025. Yeah, this is a demand candle, guys. Today it's a demand candle. I'm not seeing any specific news to SMCI. I know NVIDIA has been falling. I did an analysis already on that this morning, so check that out on my channel. But yeah, so a little bit of a shift of structure happening here. So, and as you know, I'm very adaptable to the market. So on the 5 minutes interval, let's take a look at that as well real quick. All right, so on 5 minutes intervals, guys, you can see that, yep, it once it, it held that, our day trading levels plus, The orange lines broke through those, came back lower, found support there again. Yeah, for the day at least it's been bullish, but let's see how it closes the day. I'm interested in that. But yeah, the breakout structure already happened at $1,025. Okay, so we gotta be prepared according to the price action involvement. That's why I like to size in, size out, and that's why I like to trade with the shares, because it just gives me so much flexibility on my risk management. I'm not fully convinced that is fully bullish again. I'm not convinced about that, unless, well, that's why I have that trend line up here, another trend line that I just showed you today. So that defines quite a lot. This one up here, right here. All right, that's that. Let's take a look at few things have changed since I covered AMD in the morning. AMD is looking bullish, and I think this curve that is happening, yeah, I think AMD is looking like it can turn around to the upside. And yeah, the way things are looking like, it's been making lately higher highs, higher lows. And yeah, you can see this rebound is coming now. Until where this rebound, well, 20 days moving average is still an overhead resistance, so this rebound that we are getting has to be traded only until this 20 days moving average, wherever that will meet. But yeah, it's a choppy area, just so you know, because it's right at that trend line, overhead resistance, 20 days moving average, overhead resistance, but trying to get above 50 days moving average by holding a really good support. It's just not a feeble rebound. It's a very good support of more than a week. So AMD might go just choppy like it went here in the previous time. So just keep that in mind. NVIDIA, I did a video in the morning, check that out. That will tell you everything on the technicals on this. So, but today, let's see if we close below 20 days moving average, or we close above that. Red or green, we'll find out soon. And on the hourly interval, we rejected at our, one of the levels at the rebound zone, right over here. Yeah, it's more weak. It's looking bearish to me, but let's see how it holds around 20 days moving average. NVIDIA is still so stubborn that, look at it, this 891 is now proving to be a good hold here. So yeah, but anyways guys, this is it for this video. Most importantly, I want to talk about SMCI and what I'm planning with this, and yeah, that's all. Alright guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.